Students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we will do a comprehension. Okay, that is chapter 18, and we will do the chapter 18.2, that is my daily routine. I always get up at 7 o'clock. On weekdays, I take a quick shower, then I eat my breakfast. That means the boy who is writing about the daily routine, he wakes up at, or he or she, maybe it is a girl, so he or she wakes up at 7 o'clock. That means every day wakes up at 7 o'clock. On weekdays means the days when we go for work or go to school. That is from Monday to Friday. These are called weekdays. I take a quick shower. Shower means bath. Quick means because in the weekdays we have shortage of time because we have to do lot of work, isn't it? So he or she takes a quick shower, baths quickly. Then I eat my breakfast, and after taking bath, breakfast is very necessary. They eats breakfast. He or she eats breakfast. I usually eat chapati and vegetables. Sometimes I have a bowl of cereal. That means the boy or girl, he eats chapati and vegetable and a bowl of cereal in sometimes. Cereals means oats or dalia, all these things. We can take in time, not every day, but chapati and vegetable is very helpful for us, for healthy. Every day I drink a glass of milk. I also remember to feed the cat and water the two plants in our balcony. That means two plants are there in the balcony. He waters the plants and feed the cat. That means he has a pet cat also. My school bus comes at 7:45. School bus comes at 7:45. That means 15 minutes before 8 o'clock. Quarter to. That means 15 minutes before 8 o'clock. My classes starts at 8 and the school gets over at 2:30 in the afternoon. So it starts from 8 o'clock and ends at 2:30 in the afternoon. I have some snacks at school. That means during break. That means in lunch break he takes some snacks. At lunch time I usually eat rice and fish at home. That means he eats rice and fish at home in the lunch. Our family has dinner together at 7 o'clock in the evening. So in the evening, they all family members sits together and takes their or eats their dinner. Later, I do my homework and go to bed. Then after that, the boy or the girl who is writing, he does his homework, and I often go to bed at 9 o'clock, and at 9 o'clock he goes to bed. Next comes that say if the statement is true or false. This one I always get up 7:30. These things you will do. I have given the answers in PDF, but still at first you will do by yourself. This is your home assignment that you will do by yourself, and then you will check the answers from the PDF. Okay, so number A is say if the statements are true or false. That means you have to read and you have to say that these are true or false. Arrange the activities in proper sequence, number from 1 to 5. So there some activities are given according to the chapter, this chapter. Okay, so you have to read this passage properly and then you have to answer that which work came first, which activity the boy done first. And the last one is use simple present to make sentences with the following words. Simple present means that usually we do, that a habit, any habit or universal truth. This type of sentences you have to make with these 4 words. Okay, till the next class, have a Nice time and practice at home because tests are starting from Monday, I think. So practice at home. Okay. Goodbye. Have a nice time.